What is up, DS3 TV? We are back for another video. This one is what might have been 2020 Atlantic Hurricane season animation, and it's by Force 13 because you guys really have liked the channel. So let's get back into it, and yeah. All right, and let's. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, it's fine. Let's get into it.
2020's naming list was first used in 1984, although in that season nothing was retired, although Edward came pretty close with that Category 4 peak. In keeping with the real-world timeline, Hurricane Klaus was retired in 1990 as it passed close to the Leeward Islands as a Category 1. Diana was also retired after...
Hey, why we gotta name Hurricane that? You know, why we gotta do that?
After hitting the Azores twice, they were replaced with Kyle and Dolly. 1996 had two sets of retirees.
Good work. We don't need a hurricane with that name.
In the early season, Bertha and then Cesar Douglas, both affecting the Americas. And then later on we had Fran making landfall on the US East Coast and Hortense ravaging the Eastern Caribbean islands, both getting retired as well, meaning 4 new names came in for 2002.
Oh, so he actually talks about it on this one. I actually like it. I like it better that he actually kind of goes through it and like talks about it a little bit. It's pretty nice.
In that year, Isidore stalled off the western coast of Cuba before becoming a Category 5 in the Gulf of Mexico. Lily struck Louisiana as a strong Category 4, and Marco also got retired after striking Cuba and the Bahamas. They were replaced with Ike, Laura, and Marcel.
And that's, yep. Hurricane Ike was really bad.
The situation worsened in 2008 with Edward striking the coast of Texas and Mexico, Ike slamming the Dominican Republic as a Category 3, Kyle striking the Cayman Islands as a Category 5 and then moving on to New Orleans.
So I just thought about it. That means it was 2 Ike. Well, it was an Ike before the when they hit really bad. I didn't know that.
And Marcel, which made 2 major hurricane landfalls, its Texas landfall at a Category 5 status. In 2014, the E-curse continued as Hurricane Edmund struck southeastern Florida before moving on to the Gulf. It was replaced with Elvis. Meaning that 2020's what might have been list is as follows.
Okay, so that's interesting. I always forget that Bermuda is like super far away from like the other islands though. That's like something I always forget about. I don't know why. Elvis hit a lot of different places, honestly. Coincidentally though, it doesn't look like a lot of um, a lot of hurricanes didn't really hit so far in 2020. Um, so far in July, doesn't look like it, but it usually gets like a lot more hectic at the end of the year anyway. Wow, they got hit with like two hurricanes that like right after each other too. I do remember hearing about Alpha. I think I forgot about Beta, but yeah, I do kind of remember that a little bit. Whew, Alpha went Alpha was literally the Alpha hurricane that year. I was gonna go back down to Miami too, and I remember like yeah, I was. I mean, of course, I was happy that it didn't go to Miami at that time because I was like, literally, we were deciding on going. Like, I was deciding on going back or just doing online at this point for that year. And then I think everything got pushed back. But yeah. I remember Etta too, so that didn't. Yeah, I remember Etta. Oh my gosh, it's like five in the Atlantic at this point. Oh my gosh. Six, sorry, yeah. I always wondered, like, if it's this many, how would you be able to, and they're like so close to each other, how would you be able to tell from like space, which is a different hurricane than another one? Because it could just be one super, like, it could just be a lot of different, like, maybe it is like a little bit of space in between, like, like the space is accurate in between, but like, how hurricanes look from space, they look pretty massive. So like, how would you tell that? I wonder. Oh no. Oh no. You see the name of that I would say you see the name of that hurricane. That's not a name we want to see in 2021. That's just not a name you want to see. So I wonder why they all started following the Greek, um, like the Greek alphabet or whatever. I wonder why. I wonder why. 115 from Elvis? That's crazy. And then those were the two really big storms. 155. That's really, really crazy. $195 wind speed? That's insane. then the one that shall not be named, like the year that shall not be named, 220 was the wind speed on that year for that hurricane. That's insane. But yeah. Subscribe to the channel. Want to get and tell me what you want me to react to in the comment section down below. And yeah, go to my Twitch, follow my Twitch, Diana Goddess. And yeah, talk to you guys in the next video, and peace.